You will firstly need to get the group to stand in a circle facing inwards and standing roughly the same distance apart around the circle. A nominated person will throw the ball underarm to another team member across the circle. As they throw the ball, they will call out their own name. Once the ball has been thrown, the thrower can fold their arms so everyone knows they've already had a go. On reaching the last person, they can return the ball to the original thrower. By now, the group will be starting to remember some of the names of the other team members. Instead of their own name, the participants must call out the name of the person they are throwing the ball to. The participants no longer need to fold their arms after throwing the ball. In stage 3, another ball can be introduced. This second ball should start with a different person to the first ball. Ideally, a completely new route will be found so that people are needing to remember more people's names. This stage may need a bit more practice.